Just doing a quick unboxing for you of this TV tray. So comes in one piece, nothing else in the box. Had a company label on the bottom of it, or top of it. Super easy. Well, that's cool. It just unfolds. It has some locks here. Oh, it's a cup holder. It swings out. Okay, that's cool. So that's how you adjust it. So you can just slide it up and down. Or up if you want to raise it. It looks like if you want to lower it, it has these little buttons on the bottom that you have to push to lower it. So that's what keeps it locked in place. So that's pretty cool. And then it has kind of swivel legs on the bottom, so you can just tilt it forward or back. And then for the actual tabletop tray, it has these other slides that let you raise it and lower it.